Hello friends, welcome to you all in this video, and today we are talking about Mulk Raj Anand. As we know that he was a great Indian novelist. He was born on 12th December on 1905 and he was died on 28th September in 2004. Friend, in this video we are discussing all important works by Mulk Raj Anand. Let's move on the introduction part. He was born in Peshawar in undivided India in 1905. If we talk about his early education, it was from Khalsa College, Amritsar, and after that he went University College London. He did PhD from Cambridge University, UK, where he developed friendship with the Bloomsbury Group. Friend, if we talk about the Bloomsbury Group, it was a group of associated with English writers, intellectual philosopher, and artists in the second half of 20th century, including Virginia Woolf and E.M. Foster. So the next point is he was supported India's freedom struggle and also supported the freedom movement in the other part of the world, especially Spain during the Spanish Civil War. He served as a journalist. He worked as a scriptwriter for BBC during the World War II. He was a good friend of George Orwell. Friend, if you talk about George Orwell, he was an English novelist. He was a famous author, we can say, and his famous novels are Animal Farm and 1984. He returned to India in 1946. He was a prominent English novelist, short story writer, and a critical essayist who is known for his realistic work. He was considered a founder of English language Indian novel. He was the father of Indian English novel and he was also known as the Charles Dickens of India. Friend, if we talk about his awards and honor, the first one is International Peace Prize in 1953, Padma Bhushan Award in 1967, Sahitya Academy Award in 1971 for the work Morning Face. So, friend, if we talk about Morning Face, it was divided into three parts: City of Deadful Night, the Prison, and the Regiment. So, friend, as we know that he was very popular for his novels and the first one is Untouchable. It was published in 1935. This novel was inspired by his aunt's experience when she had a meal with a Muslim woman and was treated as outcast by her family. Friend, if we talk about the next one, it is Kuli. It was most important work by Mulk Raj Anand. And if we talk about the third one, it is Two Leaves and a Bird. It was published in 1937. The next is The Village. It was published in 1939. Across the Black Water. It was published in 1939. The next is The Sword and the Sequel. It was published in 1942. Friend, all three novels, The Village, Across the Black Water, the Sword and the Sequel are also known as his trilogy, and it deals with the rebellion youth and his experience in World War II. The Big Heart, it was published in 1945. The Seven Summers, a memoir, it was published in 1951. The Private Life of an Indian Prince, it was published in 1953. The Old Woman and the Cow, it was published in 1960, and this novel also known as Gauri. The Road, it was published in 1961, and the last one is The Death of a Hero. This novel is based on the life of Maqbool Sherwani. So here now we are moving on the short story collection of Mulk Raj Anand. The first one, of course, The Lost Child and the Other Stories. It was published in 1934. It was a collection of 13 stories. The Barbers Trade Union and Other Stories. It was published in 1944. The Tractor and Corn Goddess and Other Stories. It was published in 1947. Reflections on the Golden Bed and Other Stories. It was published in 1953. The Power of Darkness and the Other Stories. It was published in 1959. Lajwanti and Other Stories. It was published in 1966. Between Tear and Laughter. It was published in 1973. Indian Fairy Tales. It was published in 1946, and the last one is More Indian Fairy Tales. The publication date is 1961. So, friend, if we talk about his anthologies, as we know that he was very popular for his anthology. So, the first one is Seven Summers. It was published in 1951. The next is Morning Phase. It was published in 1968, and this work won the Sahitya Academy Award also in 1971. The next is The Confession of a Lover. It was published in 1976. Conversation in Bloomsbury in 1981, and the last one is The Bubble. It was published in 1984. All the four works, Seven Summers, Morning Phase, Confession of a Lover, and The Bubble, are the part of his autobiographical work. So, friend, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any query related to the video, so write me in comment box. I will try to reply you. Keep learning. Thank you all.